Welcome everyone. In order to use this smart home display feature on your iPhone, the first step is I want you to open up the settings app, and from here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see standby. This is the name of the smart mode, and in standby make sure this one is turned on. If you have a newer iPhone, you can see there is an always on option, and do turn this one on if you have the option. I'll discuss the impacts in a bit. To get the standby to show up in that smart home mode, we need to first of all lock the iPhone so it's currently sleeping, or it can be on the lock screen. Then the phone needs to be resting, ideally on a magnetic stand or MagSafe stand. You can rest it up like this. However, this is not reliable. It is not guaranteed to work. The phone also must be charging. So this is why I'd recommend you get a wireless charging stand. So it stands the phone and wirelessly charges. But you can also connect a charging cable to the iPhone. That will work as well. So once we are on a stand and once we are charging, you can see immediately we are brought into the smart home mode. You may have heard earlier me talking about the always on. The issue with this mode is you will need to tap to wake the screen if you do not have the option to turn on always on. The always on is available on the Pro iPhones 2022, iPhone 14 Pro series, and newer Pro models. Don't ask why. So if we tap the screen here, we can turn it back on. And if you swipe across, you have multiple views. So you have a photo gallery, and then a clock face here, and then on the main page, your widgets. You can swipe up and down. You can do this on all views. And if you long press, you'll get your customization. So here we can tap, change the color, for example. And on the widgets page, we can long press, and we can add widgets here. We can tap the minus to remove if we would like to. You can even tap on the widgets to interact with them. And yes, now when you use Siri, you can see it will show in the middle. You can't access a notification center, but if you swipe down from the far right hand side, you can access the control center. You are unable to change the brightness here, so it is set as it is. If you plan on using this at night, then if I turn off all the lights, you should see the screen will go red, and that just removes all the blue light. It will only show red. However, it seems to, there we go. It took a couple of seconds there. The phone is showing it as orange, but it is a pure red. You could see there, red. It's just a brightness. There we go. And you can see that is nice and red. And it has light detection. So once the light is brought back in, then it's back to normal. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.